Hi, in this demo of FormTitan and Salesforce, I would like to show you how you can use FormTitan's static Boolean values to read and save Salesforce data. In my Salesforce, I have a contact and it's got a checkbox, and I want to get a contact where the checkbox is checked. So I can say, you know what, go to Salesforce and get me that data, only if it's checked. So let's bring in the full name of the contact, and that's all we want really. We don't need anything else. We'll go to Salesforce integration, get from Salesforce, map fields, and we'll add an object. And here I'll bring the contact object. I'll run it when the form first loads, and the condition will be that the first name, the full name, let's say, contains, and then I'll say other, I'll say tiger, and we'll say, and the checkbox equals, and then here we have Boolean true or Boolean false. So if it's checked, it's Boolean true. So I want to get it if the full name is tiger and the checkbox is checked. And then I'll just map the fields. So for me it's just the first and last name, just like that, and I click apply and apply again, and that's as easy as that to use those Boolean values. Now when you save the data, let's save data and add object. I want to update the contact object whose full name contains tiger and checkbox equals to Boolean true, and I want to update the checkbox to Boolean false. So that's quite simple. I'll search for checkbox. I'll say Boolean false. Now if all this is working, our form will load the tiger woods first and then will not. So let's publish it, click view. So you can see tiger woods has come back. Here is tiger woods here, and this is his checkbox. I'll refresh the page just to show it again, and then if I click submit, we have updated it. So when we refresh this page, you can see we can't find tiger woods because his checkbox has been set to false. Thank you very much.